I'm gonna tell you about quartz crystals which we have right now with us. I have spread them over this table. I will tell you one by one about them. So start from quartz. This is petroleum included quartz, and this is found in Balochistan region of Pakistan. Let's put it like here. UV light. So if we will throw UV light over them, so petroleum will glow under this UV light. This is the one quality of petroleum included quartz. This is also called double terminated quartz and diamond quartz, but the unique factor is of inclusion of the petroleum. Okay, and next I have double terminated diamond quartz. People know this quartz by Herkimer diamond also, but this is not from Herkimer, New York. This is from Balochistan region of Pakistan. But Herkimer is a trade name, and usually people oppose it. Why the other person is taking Herkimer name? But overall the world, the name is being used, though the diamond quartz being extracted from Balochistan is of much good quality. Another variety with me is terminated quartz crystals. They have one side termination, whereas the other side is quite flat, and their clarity is also very good. This is also found in Pakistan from the Balochistan region. Then I have with me window quartz, and the quality of this quartz is this: it has window like shape and termination along with inclusion of mud, as you see in the video. It has mud inclusion, window shape and termination. So three characteristics it has. Next I have again diamond quartz, and another factor is that some of them are having carbon inclusion, some of them having chlorine inclusion, and different kind of inclusion they have with them, which is making them quite unique. Next I have with me quartz specimens. There are different kinds of quartz specimens. Some are having points over it, and some are having window quartz in specimens. Some are having such crystals which having a layer of iron oxide, which are, oh, this one is very big quartz. It must be at least 2-3 kg, and it has lot of crystals over it. Mother of is quartz. This is also very big, around 2 kg stone. And you see this piece is having iron oxide layer. That's why it's giving it quite unique color. Iron oxide has added yellow color. Do you want to show anything more? Oh, okay. This is also a very nice specimen. Yes, lot of crystals. Next we are going to window quartz. They are of medium quality. They are same, having mud inclusion, and then window. This piece is very nice. Yeah, lovely. So these are my beauties. These beauties are also listed on our online gem stores. The name of our online gem store is www.folkmarketgems.com. The address is mentioned in description under the video. So here with us is Fedden quartz. Fedden quartz are having line in between of the crystals, a Fedden line, just like a milky line. as you see in the, okay, that piece is giving quite clear picture. This piece, sorry, this piece, you see it is having quite clear fadden lines in between of the stones, that is making them quite unique. And you know, this fadden quartz is normally not found around the world. The main source is only Balochistan, Pakistan. We have very large fadden quartz varieties, small sizes and big sizes pendants. You can also give us custom orders of pendants. We can wrap them with silver sterling. Yes, lovely piece. 1 inch, 2 inch sizes, 20 mm, 50 mm, 60 mm, like this sizes we are having with us. Okay, next, this is also window quartz. And next, there are quartz points. Some are double terminated, some are single terminated, and they are very cheap. Okay, so this is the whole variety of quartz with us. Window quartz, terminated quartz, double terminated quartz, diamond quartz, petroleum included quartz, carbon included quartz, and different things. We have listed different packages on our website, which is mentioned under the video. Let me tell you again, that is www.folkmarketgems.com. You can also find email with us. If you have custom orders about pendants or jewelry, you can email us, we can make for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone will subscribe our channel so you can watch more videos or updates about next coming gemstones. Definitely I will be making more videos about gemstones. Thank you so much.